guys, welcome back to the channel. In the last video, we got everything set up and discussed where we can place our JavaScript code. Today, we're going to write our very first JavaScript program. If you have followed along so far, you should have VS Code ready, a basic HTML page, and everything set up. If you missed any of the previous videos, make sure to go back and check them out. So, let's jump right in and write our first JavaScript code. First, let's start by writing some JavaScript directly in our HTML file. Open your index.html file that we created previously, and inside the body tag, let's add our script tag like this. What we're doing here is using JavaScript's console.log function to display the text hello world in the browser's console. Now, to run this, make sure your live server is running. If you don't see the browser open, right-click on your index.html file and choose Open with Live Server. Once the page is open in your browser, right-click anywhere on the page and select Inspect to open the developer tools. Go to Console tab and there you should see Hello World printed. Congratulations, that's your first JavaScript program. Next, let's move the JavaScript into its own file. We already created the file named myscript.js. In this file, type the same line of code. Save the file, then go back to your index.html and modify the script tag to link to your new file like this. Now, refresh your browser and you should still see Hello World printed in the console. Recapitulation. So, what did we just do? We wrote our first program in JavaScript, both inside the HTML file and by separating the JavaScript into an external file. I recommend always keeping your JavaScript in a separate file as your code grows, but it's important to know how both methods work. Before wrapping up, make sure to follow me in practice. The best way to learn JavaScript is to jump in and try it yourself. So pause the video, write your own Hello World program. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into JavaScript syntax and start learning some basic programming concepts like variables and data type. And as always, if you have any questions or run into any issues, leave your comments below and I will help you out. See you in the next video. Bye!